What is up and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be unboxing as well as setting up the very first fingerboard on the channel this year, and I'm super excited to get this out of the box and try it out. It is a complete fingerboard from CHEMS FB. Came in this really cool box that doubles as a storage case as well as a sessionable obstacle with the grind rail on there. And opening it up, it looks like it can also be opened up to be extended to make it like a longer obstacle. Right out of the box, this setup looks super clean. This is a blank board from CHEMS FB, but it does have their logo laser engraved on the top ply and bottom ply, which looks really nice. Next thing this came with in the box is the Blackriver tool, as well as some extra parts. Looks like it's got some brass or gold lock nuts. And I'm not sure what kind of grip tape this is, but it came with two different pieces of it. Feels pretty nice. Came with a bunch of stickers, Blackriver ramps, Blackriver trucks. Also came with this little holographic one, and this really cool mouse with a cheese scythe, and a whole sheet of CHEMS stickers, as well as these other miniature ones that are perfect scale for putting up in the park. Love all the different designs. Got the CHEMS bubble letter with the drip, and this one looks super cool as well. Putting the box back together, I was pretty surprised with the weight of it just by itself. It's made of pretty thick cardboard as well as the aluminum edge for the coping, and pretty solid and sturdy. And I'm really excited to try out the trucks. This is my first set of BRTs. They are BRT 2.0s. The setup also came with Blackriver Almighties. This is not the normal shape wheel that I normally go with. I normally go with more of a performance or a street wheel that tend to be not as wide, but I'm excited to try these out. And I normally like actually putting the board completely together. I'm one of those people that just enjoys the process of putting it all together one by one. But it actually was super convenient to have everything put together already, especially being super excited to try out this board. And all that's left to do is grip it. Ever since I got more serious into fingerboarding, it has been a dream setup of mine to have a setup with a CHEMS FB deck. In my opinion, I think they have some of the best graphics in fingerboards. And you might be asking why I would get a blank board from them if I like their graphics so much. And the honest answer is this was a really good price. CHEMS FB was having a flash sale on their Instagram. I've been following them for a while. And to be clear, this is not a sponsor video, but I saw the sale going on and I pretty much got this whole setup for the price of the trucks and wheels. And it was pretty much a free board as well as the storage case. So definitely a good deal, and a huge shout out to CHEMS FB. The quality on everything is amazing, including all the packaging, and everything came super fast. I definitely recommend following CHEMS FB on Instagram for when they do their updates as well as flash sales and also some awesome fingerboard clips. And trying out the board, I'm still getting used to the shape of it. It is a low pro mold, so it's got the low concave as well as low kicks. The board is also on the shorter side of boards that I've used. The board is 33 millimeters wide by 96 millimeters long, and it makes it really easy to spin the board, doing late flips and shove-its. One thing I noticed about this setup is that it does seem to take a little bit more effort to get in the air than my setup with dynamic trucks. However, all of the flips and kick flips that I did seem to be really leveled out and flat, which look really clean and more realistic. So far, I'm really happy with the performance of this board, and I also think it looks really clean with the blank bottom ply, tiny little CHEMS laser engraved logo, and also the side plies that match the side of the wheels is a really nice touch. The Blackriver Almighty wheels are also super nice quality, and they seem to be super smooth and the bearings work really well. I'll do a full in-depth review once I get a little bit more time to use them and see how they hold up. I also plan on doing a comparison review of the BRT 2.0 trucks once I get a little bit more time to use them. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button as well as subscribe for future fingerboarding content. I'll be doing some updates to the DIY park very soon, so stay tuned. And until next time, peace.